In this video, we will talk about how to fix settings not opening in Windows 10. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Scroll down to search Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. Click on Windows icon and try opening the settings again. Method 2. Re-register the settings. Click in Search, type PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the command in here. I have mentioned the command in the description. From there you can copy-paste in here. Now press Enter. After running the command, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Run SFC and DISM command. Click in Search, type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type these commands in here one by one and press Enter. Wait until it completes. After running these commands, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 4. Enable settings via Registry Editor. Press and hold Windows icon key and press R on your keyboard. Type Regedit and press Enter. Click on Yes. Here, you have to be in this location. You can copy-paste in here from the description. On the right, if you see a value named Settings Page Visibility, then delete it. So that's how you can fix settings not opening in Windows 10. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.